What's up, people? Well, it happened. All this heat, all this rain, humidity, hot after the rain, we got fungus. But we're gonna do a quick mow, and then last night I put down some Scott Disease X. I'm gonna hit it with the double-headed approach with azoxystrobin with the Scott's Disease X on the curative rate, and then I'm going to hit it with bioadvanced fungus control for lawns after I mow. Let's get mowing. I also know that I've been mowing my grass pretty high, so I decided to lower it, take it down one notch. To overcome fungus, you need to get some circulation in the lawn. So we need to make sure that we have proper circulation, airflow. So I decided to mow one notch down. I was already mowing really high, so high that it was laying down and not cutting properly. So I think I'm good. I'm still at probably about 3 inches. So because of that, mowing lower, the grass starts to brown out and you start to see these little patches in the grass because it was pretty thick. So here we go. No doubt we got some brown patch. Give it the double-headed dragon, a Zoxy prop. You know what? It's hot. It's in the middle of the day. It's about 3:20. So I'm going to wait until it cools off a little bit more. I think the leaves will absorb the propaganazole a little bit better. So we'll come back. All right, so it turns out that I did not apply the propaganazole last night because it was a chance of rain. So I decided to wait. We're gonna put it on now. It's the next morning. I had a business meeting and I ran and got the last thing that I needed for my hydratane clone that I put together. I did a bunch of research and I am so excited to put this stuff on the lawn, but that's another video. So we're gonna do propaganazole today. We're gonna spray it on. We're gonna let that go for about 24 hours and then we're going to put down some nitrogen and iron. So let's get going. Here it is. All right, shake it up. We need to get this down real quick. It's starting to heat up already. Oh, batteries. I'm gonna do a video on this, but you gotta make sure you take these off the charger. Once they're charged up, make sure you take them off. But I'm gonna do a full breakdown on how you can extend the life of your battery. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Let's get it. That's it. I think I sweat easy or something. Actually, I do. Oh, that's it. That is propaganazole down after the azoxystrobin. So we've got 24 hours. So tomorrow afternoon, we'll go a little over 24. It's almost about noon. So we'll go a little over 24 hours. And then I get to use my backpack sprayer finally. I'll record that too so you guys can see it. Can we say congratulations to this little guy right here? I mean, he was on his way out. We had an ant mound that started up over there. And I don't know, maybe these two bushes were really taking away a lot of the moisture because this, even though it doesn't look like it, it was heavily mulched last year. And it was just really, really struggling. The solution that I made, that's a hydratane clone, I sprayed a little bit of extra on there. And let me preface by saying that that was sprayed with a hydratane clone, I guess you could say the basic hydratane clone that I have. After I saw what it did to my lawn, I mean, it really kept my lawn thriving through the summer months. I mean, really did. Yeah, there's some yellow spots and there's some heat stress. But if you look around, everybody else's lawn is definitely going through a lot more heat stress. And I'm telling you guys, this hydratane clone that I made, without the extra stuff that I'm gonna do as a deluxe, I call it the deluxe. I am so excited for this because if I can continue to get good results through drought conditions with this stuff, it's half the cost of hydratane. And that was my challenge, like spending that kind of money for the amount of output or use that you get out of the product was just, it was hard for me to justify that. So for me to find this or to discover these products, do the research and find out something that I could use to kind of emulate, to retain moisture. Oh man, so excited. Can't wait to share that one with you. All right, let's get the backpack sprayer going tomorrow.